As a nurse who is a patient you will never forget, and why. I will remember this patient until the day I die. He taught me what hospice care is truly about. Let's call him Vladimir. He was 101 years old, lying in a diabetic coma with gangrene devouring both his feet. If he ever woke, a double amputation awaited him. A professional dancer in his youth, he had outlived everyone. His family, his only grandson. No one ever came to visit. I would sit by his bedside, working on chart notes just to keep him company. Sometimes I'd read the newspaper aloud or tell him jokes. Even though he never stirred, I was certain he couldn't hear me. Then one Monday morning, I felt eyes on me. I looked up to see Vladimir staring, his intense blue eyes burning with life. "Do you want me to live?" he demanded. Stunned, I stammered, yes, of course. "Then you must get me the chocolate ice cream," he thundered. I ran to the nurse's station and asked where to find some. Without looking up, the charge nurse replied, "You can't give him ice cream, he has uncontrolled diabetes." "Yes, I can," I snapped. "His condition is terminal. It might be the last thing he ever tastes." "Are we really going to deny him this?" She sighed. "Check maternity." I brought him a small pint. Vladimir savored each spoonful like it was heaven itself. When he finished, he smiled at me, winked, closed his eyes, and let out a deep sigh. Moments later, he was gone. His last wish wasn't for survival, but for joy. That was the moment I truly understood hospice.